the guaranteed way to make sure that your team is succeeding in today's market. Hi, I'm Jose Medina with Powered by Impact, and today I'm here to talk to you about the guaranteed way to make sure that your team is excelling in today's market. Now, we all know and we've all heard the saying that listers last. It's all about securing listings. And in today's market, that's extremely difficult, right? We're everywhere across the United States, every team that we partner with, we are seeing that teams are struggling to bring in listings, to find listings. And so today, the tip that I'm going to share with you, this isn't theory. This isn't some coach. This isn't some textbook out there. This is real life. See, our team for the last 5 years, on average, we're averaging 600 listings a year. Think about that, 600 listings a year. That means on average, our team is bringing in 50 listings every month, okay? So how do we do that? This whole concept, that what I'm about to share with you, is all based off of one singular marketing concept, which is the USP. What is your unique selling proposition? You see, when clients think of selling their house or finding a realtor, they really look at the thousands of realtors that are in your community, and they think, I'm looking at a sea of sameness. What agent A does is the same exact thing as agent B and agent C. They all more or less do the same thing. So our business has always been built on how can we separate ourselves? How can we be the person that when they think of realtors, they're going to know a bunch, but they also think about, hey, this person here has this program and I probably should talk to them. You see, we try to strategize and put our unique selling proposition with the pain point of what a seller is experiencing in today's market. And so here's what we do. We do a MOFR attached to a USP. And so what that means is, what is an immediate offer that we can give to a client that's going to set us apart from the other thousands of realtors that are in their community? And so, for example, the one that is working right now is this One Move program that we have. You see, most sellers that we're talking to that are moving, they want to move, but they're worried about selling their house before finding their next house. And which one comes first? How do I do a contingency? How do I secure my next house? How am I not homeless? And so our One Move program is built to be able to be that bridge for those types of sellers. It creates a unique selling proposition and an immediate response for sellers to contact us. When we partner with real estate teams, that's what we do. We create MOFRs for them and give them so they can go out and attract listings and be that unique selling proposition in their community. If you're interested in talking more about what a MOFR is, what's a unique selling proposition, how do I create my own, I'd love to chat with you. Jose Medina with Powered by Impact.